Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. In today's video we are going to learn together how to find the area and perimeter for triangle, parallelogram, rectangle, square and trapezoid. Make sure to watch till the end of the video so you can learn something new. Let me do a brief explanation of what is area and perimeter. Area is inside the shape, but perimeter is around the shape. First, we are going to start with the area and perimeter for the triangle. Here we have a triangle with a base of 15 centimeters and a height of 12 centimeters. To find the area of the triangle, we use the formula A, or the area, is equal to B, or the base, multiplied with H, or the height, divided by 2. We are going to replace them to find the area. So first we replace the B or the base with 15 because that is our base. Then we replace the H or the height with 12 because that's our height. Now we are going to multiply 15 with 12. 15 multiplied with 12 is equal to 180. So we are going to write A is equal to 180 divided by 2. So 180 divided by 2 is 90. Now, when we are writing the unit, we will write the same unit, that is centimeters, and then add a square sign. So our area for this shape will be 90 centimeter square. Now we are going to learn about the perimeter of triangle. To find the perimeter of triangle, we need to use the following formula. Perimeter, or P, is equal to side A plus side B plus side C. Let's find the perimeter of this triangle. Our first side, or side A, is 5 feet. So we are going to replace the A with 5. Our second side, or side B, is also 5 feet. So we are going to replace B with 5 also. Our last side, or side C, is 6 feet. So we are going to change C with 6. Now we are going to add them. 5 plus 5 is 10. 10 plus 6 is 16. So the perimeter of this triangle is 16 feet. Now we are going to learn how to find the area and perimeter of a parallelogram. We will find out how to solve them like the previous shape. So first we are going to start with the area. The formula for the area of a parallelogram is A, or area, is equal to B, or base, times H, or height. Our shape's base is 10 inch and the height is 5 inch. So I am going to replace the places so we can find out the area. The base is 10 inch and the height is 5 inch. So we have to multiply these two numbers to find the area. 10 times 5 is 50. So our area is 50. And for the unit, we are going to write inches and then add the square. So our area in the final will be 50 inches square. Now let's see how we can find the perimeter. To find the perimeter, we need to use the formula perimeter is equal to side A plus side B plus side C plus side D. So we have to add all the sides. We have to add 10, 5, 10 and 5 together. When we add these numbers together, we will get a total of 30. So our perimeter will be 30 inches. Now we are going to learn how to find the area and perimeter of the rectangle. So first we are going to start with the area. The formula for the area of rectangle is A or area is equal to L or length times W or width. Our shape's length is 3 inch and the width is 2 inch. Now we have to multiply these, so let's replace them inside the formula. We will remove L and you write 3, and we will remove W and write 2. 3 times 2 is 6. So the area of this shape is 6 inches square. So now let's find the perimeter of this rectangle. The formula of the perimeter of the rectangle is perimeter is equal to length plus width plus length plus width. So we have two lengths that are 10 and two widths that are 5. 10 plus 5 is 15. 15 plus another 10 is 25. 25 plus 5 is 30. So the perimeter of this shape is 30 inches. Now we are going to find the area and the perimeter of a square. First, let's start with the area. The formula of finding the area of a square is A, or the area, is equal to length times length. So our shape's length is 3 centimeters. When we multiply 3 with 3, we get 9. So we are going to write it down. Our area is equal to 9, and we are going to also put the unit that is centimeter square. Now we are going to find the perimeter of the same shape. The formula of finding the perimeter for a square is perimeter is equal to 4 times length. Our length is 3 centimeters. So we are going to replace it with 3. 4 times 3 is equal to 12. So we are going to write 12 and put the unit. So now we are going to find the area and perimeter of the trapezoid. First, we are going to start with the area. The formula for the area of trapezoid is area is equal to A plus B divided by 2 times height. So the side A in this shape is 5. So we are going to replace A with 5. Side B in this shape is 10. So we are going to replace B with 10. Our height in this shape is 4. So we are going to replace H with 4. So now we are going to start calculating. 5 plus 10 is equal to 15. 15 divided by 2 is 7.5. Now we have 7.5 times 4. When we multiply 7.5 times 4, we will get 30. So the area will be 30 centimeter square. So for the last part of the video, we are going to find the perimeter of the trapezoid. The formula is perimeter is equal to side A plus side B plus side C plus side D. Side A is 5 centimeters, side B is 10 centimeters, side C is 4.5 centimeters, and side D is 5 centimeters. We are going to add them to find the perimeter. 5 plus 10 is 15. 15 plus 5 is 20. 20 plus 4.5 is 24.5. So the perimeter will be 24.5 centimeters. Thanks for watching till the end of the video. I hope you enjoyed this video and learned something new. Make sure to like and subscribe and also share this video with your friends.